In this video, you'll learn how to delegate tasks between agents in Paperclip AI. By following the steps outlined, you'll be able to assign responsibilities effectively within the platform. Begin by navigating to the dashboard of Paperclip AI. To do this, open your web browser and enter the appropriate URL for the dashboard. Once the page loads, you should see a clean interface with various options for managing your agents. This is the main area where you will manage task delegation. Next, locate the agent you wish to work with. You will find a list of agents displayed on the dashboard. Click on the specific agent's name or icon to access their individual dashboard. This action will redirect you to a new page where you can manage tasks associated with that agent. After that, look for the button labeled Assign Task on the agent's dashboard. This button is typically located prominently on the page. Clicking this will open a new interface where you can input task details. It is important to ensure that this screen appears before proceeding. Now you need to type in the subject of the task you want to delegate. There will be a designated text box for entering the subject information. Make sure the subject clearly reflects the task at hand, as this will help the agent understand their responsibilities. Next, find the option labeled No Project. This is often a drop-down menu or a button that allows you to specify the project associated with the task. Click on it to explore project options. You may need to select a project if applicable, or you can continue without one if the task stands alone. Following that, click on Onboarding within the project options. This will typically bring up a list of onboarding tasks or related information. Selecting this ensures that the task is categorized correctly for the agent's workflow. Then locate the Add Description button. Clicking this will allow you to provide additional context for the task. It is crucial to give as much detail as possible so that the agent understands the expectations and requirements. Type in the description of the role or task in the provided text area. This description should include all necessary information that the agent will need to complete the task effectively. Clarity in this step is key to successful delegation. Finally, click on the Create Issue button to finalize the task assignment. This action will typically trigger a confirmation message indicating that the task has been successfully created. Ensure that this confirmation appears before you navigate away from the page. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.